Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Blaze, and in today's video I will be showing you guys and I will be telling you guys too. But first of all, I'll be showing you guys the code, the two code for the video, the new video that TapSwap just released as a tax. This cryptocurrency worldwide new. So guys, we are looking for these two codes right here, which I've actually discovered and I've actually seen it. So guys, without no further ado, let me show you this code so that you use it and get your 400,000 coins. So without no further ado, let's get into it. So I have to go, because I've copied it somewhere here. I have to go the first code, which is this one. Let me copy it very fast here. Then let's go back and input the code. Now let me paste the code in there and click on submit. Now you can see it's showing done, which is very nice. So let's go back again and copy the second code. Watch closely, you can actually screenshot it to see, and I'll put the code in the comment section so you guys can check it out. But that's for the first one. The second one here, which is this, you're going to just click on submit and done. They say then you click on your finish task. Guys, don't forget to keep on tapping. So that's it guys, that's it, and it is done. So it's simple as that. Don't forget to keep tapping. Don't forget to keep tapping. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you know you like a straightforward video like this that don't waste much of your time talking about things that are not beneficial, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like this video. Comment in the comment section on which mining bot you think will also pay money, like TapSwap and Hamster Combat. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.